Sounds of Success, the 2010 awards party of the Flower Mound Chamber of Commerce. A great evening of recognition for our members and a special thanks to our major investors, as well as the prestigious annual awards. A tradition of leadership means passing of the gavel. High standards were set in 2010 by Andy Eads, our past chairman, and the chamber is left in the very capable hands of Harold Shepard. Just as cream rises to the top, these two were a standout as ambassadors of the year, Dave and Kathy Henderson with the Louisville Lake Symphony. This special award is periodically presented when the achievements warrant the award. After a lifetime of service, Pat Falcon, recently retired from Wells Fargo Bank of Highland Village, is our Lifetime Achievement Award recipient. Our Volunteer of the Year is more than just a pretty face. Just as Superman always shows up in the nick of time, there must be a phone booth in the back of David Hodges' truck. David Hodges with Hexter Fair title, our 2010 Volunteer of the Year. When I say sparkle, you say bling. Our Rookies of the Year, Amy and Jeff Jenkins of Chicks Dig It and Guys Do Too, blew into town and dazzled us all with their willingness to serve. On the housetop and just a call away. Whether in their business or in support of the chamber, these guys really know how to roll up their sleeves and get things done. A huge Texas thank you goes out to Lance Moore and his team with Ridgeline General Contractors as our 2010 Business of the Year. As you can imagine, our next award winner never has a bad hair day. She is no stranger to hard work and has a servant's heart. Kim Cloud of Cloud9 Salon and Spa, more than qualified as our Spirit of Flower Mound Award recipient. Our 2009 Citizen of the Year, Paula Croteville with Complete Interior Solutions, had the honor of presenting the 2010 Citizen of the Year Award. As a champion for children and an advocate for those less fortunate, join me in congratulating Gary Henderson with Communities and Schools of North Texas as our Citizen of the Year for 2010.